Hacking API topic. On this topic, I would cover about common vulnerabilities in APIs. So let's get into this topic. So obviously, while hunting APIs, you obviously know about the information disclosures. This is very pretty common in API hacking. We can find in response headers like kind of versions they are using, the technologies they are using. You can also find via the browser instructions, or else you can find that via the bug used headers, parameters, and verbose error, as well as sometimes the error was also showing the it's Apache server 1 point version access, so which version of using it can be disclosed in the verbose and etc. So this is a pretty common vulnerabilities in while hunting APIs. This is under information disclosures. Second vulnerability was BOLA, which is under authorization vulnerabilities. The definition was broken object level authorizations. So we can find like changing parameters IDs and like that. So obviously you already know about that. User API testing user token else by changing this parameter ID you can get some unauthorized access informations of others. So this is the broken object level authorization vulnerabilities. And after that, broken user authentication, so which is pretty common vulnerabilities like brute force attacks, credential stuffing, and the common authentication by bypassing, like response manipulation, request manipulation. This kind of vulnerabilities is under broken user authentication category. And after that, excessive data exposure. Excessive data exposure is very pretty common vulnerabilities also. I just also find a couple of vulnerabilities in same category. So you may find account creations in chat box and many. When you're creating a request, let's say you're chatting with a support team and applications, you can click the chat box and enter something. They will ask email. Sometimes they will most of the time they will ask emails to store about your concerns and in our data in the company database. So that's why they ask also name and emails and what was the concern you are experiencing. So when I enter the email, I captured the post request. I got to know the response was also contained the chat ID. Obviously, it will create some chat ID. In the response body, I got chat ID and my username and my name and my email address. And after that, I got 7+ admin IDs, which means user IDs and usernames and email, as well as I got to know is admin also true. I got 7 admin personal information in the chat in this response body. So sometimes the server sometimes give you your information in the response, and at the same time the server will also include mistakenly include admin informations like who are they interacting with you, that kind of members information also disclosing in the response. So this is under excessive data exposure vulnerabilities category. And obviously rate limiting, obviously you know about the rate limiting vulnerabilities. And after that, the one was BFLA. BFLA means broken functional level authorization. And you may think BFLA is similar to the BOLA, except instead of authorization problems involving accessing resource, it's an authorization problem for performing actions So for example, let's consider a vulnerable banking API. So when BOLA vulnerabilities, which is broken object level vulnerabilities, is present in the API, we might be able to access the information of other accounts, such as payment histories, usernames, email address, and account numbers, etc. If BFLA vulnerabilities exist, is present, we might be able to transfer money and actually update the information, update the account information. BOLA is about BOLA is about authorization, unauthorized access, but VFLA is about unauthorized actions. So this is the difference between the BOLA and BFLA. So the easiest way of finding discover BFLA is to find administrative API documentations and send requests to as an unprivileged users that test admin functionality and capabilities. So and after that, seventh one was mass assignment vulnerabilities. I think most of the I think most of the hunters didn't know about the name mass assignment, but you may know about the technique, the method of that. So when login, the quiz look like post login API something, and this is the email and the password. Is admin is true. So is admin. This is not the content. So this is the basic. So this sorry. So this is the basic login request to look like. In mass assignment accused when API consumer includes more more parameters in the request, then the application intended and application all these parameters to code variables or internal objects. In the situations, consumers may able to edit the object properties or escalate privileges. Sometimes you can add extra parameters like is admin true. It can the parameters can gives you more privilege as like admin panel. As like admin, it can be access to the admin panel after the login. So this kind of vulnerability is under the mouse assignment. So how we can find the mouse assignment all of this? While reading API documentation regarding the account creation process, suppose you discover that there is an additional key like is admin, there's like this kind of parameters which is comes from the admin account creations or something like that. Is the any parameters is that you find that consumer can use to become an administrator. This is the most assignment Olympics and eighth one was injection Olympics. You obviously know about the SQL injections. You can inject this kind of payloads in anywhere like used to body parameters or like used to path this kind of. So this is pretty common vulnerabilities when you're testing the AP. And after that, business logic flaw. This is business logic flaw is you are using the application behavior to advantage yourself. Yourself means the attacker self. So this is comes from business logic flaw. So that's why I want to make this in this video. So this is a common one. This is in AP. Maybe so. Thanks for watching. Next video is about specific vulnerabilities in depth, deep dive into the specific vulnerabilities. So keep watching.